Hello all, welcome. In today's session, we will be covering the merge command, which is a part of a DML operation. In previous session, we were covered DML operations, insert, update and delete. So respective syntaxes, inserting, how are we going to insert data into table using a multiple ways. Similarly, how are we going to do the update operations in multiple ways, delete operations in different ways. So in today's session, we will be covering merge script. So what is a merge? Merge, actually it will perform the operations of both update and insert. Simply, sometimes we will be calling it as upsert, updating the data and inserting the data based on the conditions of the number of rows. So the syntax for merge is merge into source table using target table on source and the common column, target common column. If you have a multiple columns, we can use a multiple AND condition, and we can use source and target with multiple AND conditions. So when these common criteria is matched, when the data is matched with the number of rows, it is going to perform the updating the set of columns. So it will update the set of columns into that, and the number of rows in it is going to update. When the records are not matched, whatever the records are not matched, that will be inserting a data into this source table name. So this actually we will be we can see this in a live. Without wasting further any of your time, we will go into PG admin and also the SQL database. Now we will be connecting to HRDB new database, and we will go to the query tool. Here we can use whatever the SQL statements we can, if you want to write, we can write. So let's, without wasting your time, I was prepared few scripts for merge script. So this is how we can cover. As part of this session, I was taken employee source as a table and employee target as one more table. What exactly we will be performing here is employee source data. We are doing a merge based on the target table data. So whatever the table data which is available in employee target table, which we are comparing in the employee source, wherever the number of records which are available and which are matched, that we are updating. And if the number of records which are not matched with the employee target table, that we are inserting using a merge script. That is how we are syncing the data with employee target table. Let's move forward. This is the syntax for creating a table. If you want to see the creating a table, right, so you can watch in previous session. Okay, let's move, and we can create a table. So for a tracking purpose, we created an additional column name action, which refers as a varchar. So it will update as a inserting data or updating data. We will see that. So it contains this number of records. Let's start. Now we created a table with employee source, and we are going to insert number of records in the employee source table with employee ID, name, job title, salary and department hire date. Similarly, we are creating a employee target table with the same number of records. Whatever the number of records which are available in employee source, the same number of records we are inserting into target table. Now, the next step is we are creating an extra record in the employee source with 106 and the email Emily White new. This is a differentiation. So we are going to insert this record in employee source. Similarly, we are inserting additional record employee target with 107 row as James Brown now. So we will be inserting these two records. Let's execute. Now we can see the data of employee source. Select star from employee source. This is the employee source data. Let's watch like 101, 02, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it was the common column here is all these are common columns with the employee target table. The only additional column which we were created is 106 in employee source table. This 106 is not available in employee target. Similarly, when we execute employee target 101, 2, 3, 4, 5 and there is no 6, 107 we created. Now coming back to the merge script, what exactly this merge script will be doing? So here we are merging into employee source. So this we are aliasing with the SRC using, this is a alias which we can create for the table. Instead of using emp_src, we are making it as a alias name src. Similarly, merge into employee source using employee target. We are aliasing with the tgt on source dot employee id tgt employee id. The common column is employee id. So whatever the number of columns in this scenario, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the common columns which are available in both the tables. Now we want to merge the data, the number of records into employee source table, right? So wherever the data was matched, okay, we are going to update the job title as a new title, job title as a new title, and salary we are updating with 1000 records. 1000. So let's take this employee source in a separate query tool so that it will be easy for us to track. So let's execute employee source. This is how the data looks, right? So let's go back to the previous query tool. Now wherever the matched columns, it is going to update job title as new title and salary as 1000. So here, and the action will be updated with update. So, my bad, it's a small lowercase, it's update. Yeah. So wherever the number of records are not matched, it is going to insert a data into this employee source table. So in our scenario, 107, this is a target table, right? So 107 is a new record which is not available in employee source. So now this record is going to insert, and all these records will be updated with new title, and it will be updated a salary with 1000. Okay, let's try to execute the merge statement. Now number of records are merged with 6. So let's try to execute. You can observe here like action, select star from. So before that, what we can perform is we can take a screenshot of output, previous output. Let's take a screenshot of this just for our reference. I'm going to execute employee source. Now you can observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So all these are updated with job title as new, and also salary was updated with 1000 because these are already available and it was matched with employee target table. So our intention is to update the existing records with the job title and salary as with these details. Similarly, this is a record which not performed any action in source table. This 107 record which was inserted from the target table. This is how the merge script will perform on whenever we want to perform any upset operation. Hope this video helps you a lot. Please encourage to do more videos. Thank you all for your support, and it's encouraged me to do more videos to share my knowledge. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.